remedies are blowing up online, and Cyperus Rotundus Oil is one of the most talked about. Some claim it can reduce hair growth permanently or even remove unwanted hair over time. But is that true, or is it just another viral beauty myth? Let's break it down. So Cyperus rotundus, also known as nutgrass, has been used traditionally in herbal medicine. In recent years, the oil extracted from it has been marketed as a natural hair growth inhibitor, often applied after waxing or shaving to supposedly slow regrowth and make hair thinner over time. Sounds promising, but what does evidence actually say? Here's the important part. There are a few small studies suggesting Cyperus rotundus extract may reduce hair growth when used consistently after hair removal, especially waxing. Researchers believe it may interfere slightly with hair follicle activity. However, and this is crucial, there's no strong scientific proof that it permanently removes hair. It does not destroy hair follicles like laser or electrolysis. Results, if any, are usually gradual and mild, not dramatic, so claims of permanent hair removal are not backed by solid clinical evidence. User experiences are mixed. Some people notice slower regrowth or slightly finer hair after weeks of consistent use. Others see little to no difference, even after months. A few report skin irritation, breakouts, or allergic reactions, especially on sensitive areas. This suggests the oil may help some people, but it's far from guaranteed and definitely not instant. Some of its pros: natural plant-based option, easy to apply after waxing or shaving, and may help reduce regrowth slightly for some users. However, there's no permanent hair removal, requires long-term consistent use, and results vary widely, not suitable for everyone's skin. So does Cyperus rotundus oil actually remove hair? No, not permanently. It may help slow regrowth or thin hair over time for some people, but it's not a proven hair removal solution and shouldn't be compared to laser or electrolysis. Bottom line, if you're curious, think of it as a mild hair growth reducer, not a miracle cure, and always patch test before using. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.